Technology is evolving faster than ever. If you want to stay relevant, competitive, and highly paid in 2026, these are the programming languages you absolutely must learn. Python remains the king of programming, dominating artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, data science, and web development. Python is essential for almost every tech career. JavaScript powers the web. From websites to mobile apps and back-end systems, mastering JavaScript opens doors across the entire software ecosystem. Rust is rapidly becoming the future of systems programming. Known for speed, memory safety, and reliability, Rust is transforming cybersecurity, blockchain, and performance-critical software. Go is the backbone of modern cloud infrastructure. Companies use Go for scalable, fast, and reliable back-end systems and cloud services. Kotlin dominates Android development and is now expanding into back-end and multi-platform development. Data drives everything. SQL remains irreplaceable for working with databases and analytics. TypeScript adds safety and scalability to JavaScript and is now standard in enterprise development. Start learning now and build the future.